Hello friends, welcome again in our channel Maulik Learning. In today's video of complete Python programming for beginners video lecture series, we will discuss about variables in Python programming language. So let's start today's topic, that is variables in Python programming. Variables in Python. So first question is, what is variable? It is a type of identifier that it change its values inside Python script. For example, suppose I have declared a variable a10 and in first line its value is 10. Again in second line, if I type a equal to a plus 10, now the value of a is 20. So we can understand that it is a variable which change its value during the program execution in Python script. So for the very first question, how to declare variable. First question, so very simple, just give the variable name and in right side literal or value. Literal is a, so first is, what is literal? It is a value associated with variable. Okay, for example, a equals to 10, b equals to 20.2, name equals to Ajay, check equal to true. Here this is integer literals, this is floating literal, float literal, this is string literal. So we can understand this is bool type literal. So now you understand what is literal, different type of literal we use. Now second thing is second one is variable name. It is collection of alphabets and digits. Example, name Ajay or age equal to 21, rule of variable declaration. Okay, first rule is first character must be alphabet. For example, if I did one age equals to 22, this is invalid. Age equal to 22 is valid. Okay, second, since Python is case sensitive, so small a equals to 10 and capital A equal to 10 both are different things. Okay, you must understand this also. And third, for long name we can use underscore score score character to connect long name. For example, first underscore name equals to single quote Ajay. Similarly, we can use this in like last underscore name Pant. So this is some rules for variable declaration. Now the next thing is, what is the mean of L value and R value in variable declaration? L value and R value in variable declaration. Variable declaration. It is also very important thing, so must understand, you have to must understand this also. For example, a equals to 10. Here the right side is called L value and left side is called L value. Then L value is a variable name or location we can say, and R value is literal or an expression. For example, we can understand this by age equals to 22 or age equals to 32.2. so this is literal types, and suppose a equals to 10 and b equals to 20, c equal to 40.2, and we define a plus b multiplied by c plus d plus a, sorry. So this is type of expression. So this is R value and this is for L value. Let's see, understand by the practical example in PyCharm. So I'm going to PyCharm here. If I will give the name is one name, then you can see error is coming. First character must be alphabet. So name equals to, I have given Ajay, print. I can check that type of that data type. Already we have already discussed this, name and print name. So this will generate the output. So you can see class string and type. Okay, same. I can take age equals to 22 and type age and print age. So it will type integer, and if I will take it 6, then its type is changed as a float type. Okay, this is R value, that is called here it is literal, and left L value is a location or variable name. Now you understand it. Okay, so this is about variables in so one thing last, suppose I want to give first underscore name, long name I can give by this Suprabhat, and also last underscore name equals to Pandey. So once I will type first underscore name comma name comma last underscore name, so it will generate the output. Let's see. So we can say Suprabhat Pandey. So we can connect a long variable name with underscore, but after and before no space between variable name. So this is about variables and variable declaration and L value, R value, variable initialization. Hope you will understand this video. Thank you very much for this video, and we will meet in next video in operators in Python. Thank you.